I really wanted a place for people to feel comfortable, to come in, grab something to eat, and feel relaxed. In the beginning, I worked mostly with Samir.
It's just like with 6 tables and a small, they like this room.
Yeah, first we have come, that is the only from three stop and with Miss Shivni. This from our owners, this 4 stop we are studying this shell beans. That is very small, like around 4 tables there.
The food, I will tell 100% guarantee this one. The food is shell beans, 100% this quality is good.
Personally, not only as a team, personally I am very happy with myself because I feel I'm also working, I'm also part of shell beans, right?
We have a fun time there. We played team building games.
First entry you have to smile to in the customers. That is for us, we are trying always the best for customers.
And ultimately, the name was clever. When the logo came, it instantly resonated with, the Maldives and the direction she was going with the coffee. It was a perfect harmony.
We had a logo, it was working, it was great. However, it also needed a change. It needed a fresh, new look.
And we felt the reason why we went through this rebranding was because we felt that the current logo didn't fully represent what we were doing now.
We have changed the menu and also the look and the logo, everything was fresh and new now.
I saw what they had done with this new logo and I just absolutely love it.
And we saw this shape coming through. We just was really thrilled. We knew right there, that's it.